Welcome to today's market cycle outlook series of 5-minute videos. Let's have a look at the S&P. Let's start on the weekly, bring in some data. Price is pushing up substantially out of the 20-week low. This is the bounce phase. It will be very interesting to see whether in fact this breaks the all-time high. I'm not expecting that it will. In fact, I'm expecting that this is more likely to tip over and drop into the 18-month low. Let me draw you a picture so that you see what's inside my head, so to speak. So this from here, I'm expecting to tip over and drop into this 18-month low. Out of there, of course, we will have bounce. So the things that I'm expecting revolve around there being a high before the halftime. So the halftime of this 20-week cycle is about 9 or 10 weeks. So if we draw the halftime in, you can see that I've allocated a high prior. Now, the reason for that is because bearish cycles have their high before the halftime. The definition of bearish is the ending low is lower than the starting low. So let's see how this works out in the fullness of time. Here on the daily time frame, let's bring in some data. Well, that's what we call bounce. Where to from here? Well, I'm expecting that we are going to see something that looks like a drop into this 20-week low. And then it gets very interesting from there. So the first question is, how much higher will it go? So will it come up here? But the other question is, how low will it go? Those provide indications of where to next. The higher the high of this 20-day cycle, the higher the low should be, and the more underlying uptrend exists. If that's the case, then we may in fact see that price will continue to push up. Failing that, price may in fact start to tip over. So we're watching the underlying trend. Okay, thanks for watching.